Yo, what is going on? This is Andrew, known as Zero Jaw Drew, Pip Catchers Administration. Welcome back to another video. It is Monday, October 18th, 2021. We're here with a live call, baby. Let's get it. So, it's a new week. It's a new week. As you can see, GBPUSD, we are bullish right now. Overall, we are bearish due to this crown pattern, right? If you look on the daily chart, we hit those targets from last week at this U resistance. So we are at a level where we can consolidate for the rest of the day. So we're going to kind of take it easy today. One thing when I usually see this, if you look at gold's trade last week, usually, if we are going to come down, we trap bulls above this level. So I do think that we are going to push through that 520 key level probably one more time, right? Probably close on the day and then give us that sell setup maybe tomorrow. Looking at the hourly chart, all the buyers liquidity is above this 1.37500 key level. We had bull traps over here, but buyers liquidity was not grabbed, so that's what that means right there. So look, we had that bull trap, right? But buyer's liquidity is right there. So I do think we want to push higher. But we have to keep in mind we're at a level where we can start to turn around. But I do think we want to push higher one more time on the day before anything sets up. So on the 15-minute chart, right? But at the same time, we don't have a bias. So today, at least, usually I would have a bias in an overall direction just when we're in levels like this. We got to keep in mind this is at a spot where, price is going to be indecisive. So we got to keep in mind with that and just kind of play it by day. So on the 15-minute chart, right, we are sort of starting to read this crown-like pattern, right? The right shoulder is where it's projecting right now. All the sellers' liquidity is down at this trend line and these two key levels right here. Where potential bear traps can happen. Also, a bear trap can happen at this level. Right now, looking at this, it looks like we want to push down because we came back into this value, but it's still 8:30, so we got time before we make any decisions. But for me to take a position today, I would want to see bears get trapped at this trend line, right? Or if price breaks out above this 500 key level, like I said before, that was that strong key level. That's where all buyers liquidity is. We could see potential bull traps above here for the short opportunity. It's a little too soon for that opportunity, so we're gonna come back around 9 o'clock when we have more data, and then we'll be able to make our decision. So like I said, today we're in a spot where we can consolidate, so we want to play it by day. Buyers liquidity was not grabbed above that 1.37500 key level yet, so I think we do want to push to that level until buyers liquidity is caught. We had this bull trap come back into this value right now, so seller momentum is present. So I do want to see price drop. I want to see bears get trapped somewhere, and then we'll be able to make our decision based on what we see. Let's go. As you can see, price is moving down right now. I do think we are going to bounce somewhere right here. So we're going to wait for price to drop right here, take the sellers, come back up, and then enter the buy. Usually when I see something like this, this might indicate a drop down, to be honest with you. So we're going to play it by day. We're going to wait for the opportunity to set up. We're not going to automatically jump that buy. Once we see the opportunity, what we're looking for, then we're going to enter the trade. So we'll be back in another 15 minutes. It's 9 o'clock right now. We'll see you then. Alright guys, we need to wait a little bit longer. As you can see, we're holding that key level. Seller's liquidity was not fully grabbed yet. I want to see price drop. I want to see it come back into value and squeeze back up to that right shoulder. Let's get it. Hey, that money turned me into a monster. 100,000, we could do that every week. Alright guys, we're entering this fucking buy right now. We're targeting these highs right here. Let's get it. Who else really? Let's go. Let's get it. Monday. You did. I got my gun in my boot purse and I don't bust back because I. Beautiful black. Back, let's go. Alright guys, we're securing this position right now. We'll be back in a few minutes. Maybe we could get another opportunity. These bulls are squeezing these fucking shorts out due to this shit right here. Let's go. Sheesh. Alright guys, when this thing gets engulfed now, we're gonna re-enter to this one then. When this gets engulfed, we're gonna re-enter again to another buy up to here. Alright, so that'll be second target. For real, I just say yeah, right there. 520. Let's go. Wait for the engulfing. We'll enter again. Let's go. 5 minutes. Alright guys, we're waiting for a 5 minute engulfing above this level. If we engulf that level, we'll enter another buy up. Right now, seller momentum is there, so we're gonna wait for these sellers to get stopped the fuck out, and then we're gonna move. Let's go. Alright guys, we taking it short now. We holding it all the way through. Let's go. That was real. That shit just dropped. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is real life. Niggas think we playing chess. Targeting these lows. Let's go. Right here, 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 right here. Oh, scratch this shit. That's what I mean, guys. We gotta adapt to what we see. X. See you guys in a bit. Can't go 50-50 with no. Let's go. He's gonna smash targets live. Let's go. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. We'll see you guys in a few. Let's get. Alright, guys, we are securing this bag right now. I don't like shorting the market, to be honest with you. This thing is gonna keep moving down, but I really don't like shorting the fucking market. So we're gonna get out of this position. We're gonna take our buy trade. We got in over here to here. And then we took a short from here down to here. So it was a pretty decent day. Make sure you like this channel, subscribe, keep us motivated, put this content out every fucking day. I'm gonna try to get out at least 2 to 3 posts a week, so stick around and let's get it.